Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today this is a day trading forecast or day trading or Forex daily update, whatever name you give to this video. This is a very nice casual type of no rush video. So I highly recommend everyone of you to stay with me from start till the end of the video. I will try to not make a very lengthy and deep conceptual video, but anyways, a few pairs I have to discuss. The first is I have received for messages for the euro dollar and for the gold dollar, but those two pairs are going on bigger plans and bigger trend lines. I will be discussing that on Saturday and Sunday in the weekly forex forecast video, and then separately as well. So this week I have discussed pound dollar and dollar CAD during the week, and I have to discuss that once again to all of you to update you. Yesterday I uploaded two videos and both of them the plans worked very nicely. I would like to draw your attention to first of all this pound dollar, and right here just have a look at it, how nicely and how beautifully it went up today. So what I have discussed yesterday, first of all we need to understand that on the pound dollar, because without understanding the previous things we cannot easily predict the further one. So what I said yesterday, it was a little bit of tricky as well. I'm not saying it was easy, but this buy trade setup right here that was given, and obviously since this was a Fibonacci trade setup, so its stop was supposed to be right here, and this was going to be the entry. So for the long-term traders, no doubt still this is to be like till 1.22500, but especially for the day traders, and for the day traders those who booked this much profit, which was obviously 1:1 type of trade. And right here if you see at this particular moment, market still on the H1 is trading in this descending channel right here, and I will like to study this a little bit to find out some of those breakout levels so we get a sort of idea about the market. And before that we need to study this trend that okay, no doubt the market is bullish, it's going bullish, it's giving us good profits right here yesterday from here till here, intraday up fantastic one, then a sell fantastic one discussed in the yesterday's video, very nice. But we also have to see that this market is coming down in a descending channel, but seems like it is retesting its own highs right here. Just check it, and each time it try to test the upper band, what happens is it is rejected. So several good opportunities right here this week as predicted in the weekly forex forecast video. But with that, if we see, we market created a lower low, after that we have not seen any higher high. We have got a lower high, which means now at this point the trend was like something like this. Did you get my point? From here till here a lower low, see, isn't it a lower low? It is. But did we get a higher high? No, we did not. So obviously the market dropped, and when it was rejected from this zone, this previous zone, once we took these opportunities, I discussed all of them with you, discussed this one yesterday, then this sell trade, and after this the market is now going back up. So from here what we have got is this trend line, and I uploaded a very detailed video on my regional channel about trend lines. I will try to make a video of same kind right here for this channel as well. Just have a look at it. Isn't it a break of trend right here? No doubt it was on the 15-minute this trend, but still this was a trend line, a break below, and see how fantastic trade opportunity it was. A break below, a retest, and this that I communicated. Now what's next? Obviously for the pound dollar, I will be looking at it right here on the H4 first. The first thing is, no doubt it bounced off from a good support zone. So for now I'm deleting this. I don't need it. I also don't need this trend line at the moment, right? The first thing is, obviously most traders can, if they want to quickly make profits, can take some profits from there following this channel, right? But if it hits the stop loss, we cannot do anything. No one can do anything, right? But obviously a descending, so some traders will decide that okay, they want to be taking this much profit from the market, 40-50 pips, more than enough. And stay with me, I will be discussing it for long term as well. But like the market created a lower low, so another lower low is expected towards 1.20500. This is one way of looking at it, and this whole story will become reset right here. The other story is, and that other story is, because obviously this is market and there are different plans, plenty of plans right here we have. This was the story that I have, and a trade plan that is still present right here at this particular moment. Did you get my point? Now coming on to those long terms. What happened on the long term is, we have got a break of structure. How? Let me show you. On the H4 for the long term, this previous break of structure is right here, and it suggests that if this market breaks to the top side, it will be retesting this zone, this one. So what's next? Obviously now the things are getting more interesting. On one hand side is this story reset. If anyone wants to take it, can be taken from here, can be taken at this breakout. But at this breakout it will be way too risky. Don't try to take it. Those who want to take it will be the right place, stop up there. And remember, if the market go up and hit the SL, no one will be able to do anything, because if this breakout is going to occur, my strategy or my technique will not be able to stop it. Keep this much of around stop loss in your mind, and then another opportunity will be obviously this breakout, retest, and some intraday buying. This is another opportunity. Just see how nicely this market is. This is us, the beginner traders, the inexperienced traders who are not taking those opportunities. Just see this zone. See, this will be one trade opportunity for the day traders I am discussing. For the long term traders, they will take a buy right here, buying right here, buying right here. They are still buying towards 1.24, 1.24675. So some sell we can get from 1.22725 as well. Then obviously a breakout, a retest, and then the continuation towards that. And the sell point I have already discussed, and a break below, that will be another thing. Now traders, it depends on us how we take these opportunities on different time frames. This is trading, this much simple it is. No rocket science. Now yesterday dollar CAD hit my SL. It hit my SL yesterday. Dollar CAD hit my SL yesterday, and even I made a video about it, but no problem. Just like I've told you, what was yesterday plan, just have a look at it. I picked up this whole story and this whole trend, which was very good. Then I found this broken level, right, which is again very nice, not tested yet. Then the market continued and gave us a break above this zone, went back up and break into the zone, giving us this Fibonacci. It went back up, took a 61.8, very nice, come back down 61.8 of this impulsive wave, and this one it completed. This was on the H1, the A, B, C and D. But I wasn't looking at the H1 yesterday. So what happened is I placed a sell trade right here, went in profit. I took a buy, closed it here, profit. I took a sell and boom, it hit the SL. But still I'm with handsome profit. And yesterday clearly I have mentioned that during this triangle you can trade the dollar CAD in between this triangle, and yesterday it traded very nicely in this triangle, giving us a breakout today, a retest and bouncing back towards 1.38000. Now why I'm saying it, because we have got this break of trend. Now if it come back down, I will not be saying that it is going. I will be saying, okay, if you took some profits from right here, close that. It's dropping toward this trend line, and then that depends for how long the traders take it. But this is obviously a fantastic, and even I have discussed it yesterday. So congratulations to all of you who are on this bullish one. Move your stop to break even and let it run towards 1.38000. Not a financial advice, just do it on the practice account. So if you have any questions, my friends, I am always available. You can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and if you need any help, remember traders, everyone needs a teacher in a field. And even back in 2013 when I was a student, I took a course of $800 back then, and it was a huge amount for me. So I paid for it, and I'm teaching it right here after learning it, practicing it, and this is the end of forex trading. Beyond it, nothing lies here. Like, what can be beyond it? Is there anything else beyond it? A break of trend, a trend that is established, and we have got a break, retest, and we have a continuation. Very simple it is, but we have to understand, we have to patience, and we need teacher in our field. If you still will, before taking your decisions, you still will need a teacher, whether that person doesn't know a single thing about forex trading. You will need some patience person in your surrounding, maybe online somewhere. And before taking a decision, you can consult with him and ask him, shall I take it? Sometimes he will be telling you, go ahead my son, take it. Sometimes he will say, son, stop. That day you have made profit, today stop. So, or if the person is younger than you, obviously, but the less the age, the more the greed, impatience, and those things. The more the age, the more a person understand these things, right? So I will be waiting for your comments on this special video, and if I get a very less watch time on this video, I will be so much disappointed, honestly speaking. So keep watching it and keep watching it, because whatever today I spoke right here is completely true, and beyond it there is no truth. Beyond it, it hit the SLs. I have told you, it hit it. Why? On the H1 it was on this impulsive wave, this ABCD pattern, and I was looking for this one. That's why if I waited for this triangle, I definitely would have been saved. But I'm lucky enough that before that there was some intraday trading going on, so made profit from that. Right? Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I will see you most probably tomorrow in the London session, maybe before that. Till then, take a lot of care of yourself. See you next time. Goodbye.